Imagine uploading your lecture notes or a giant PDF and instantly getting flashcards, quizzes, summaries, and study guides without spending hours making them yourself, because that's exactly what Thea Study is designed to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how students are using this AI tool in 2026 to study faster and make exam preparation way less stressful. Thea Study is basically an AI-powered study assistant that helps students turn PDFs, lecture recordings, YouTube videos, textbook pages, and notes into interactive study materials automatically. To get started, you simply go to the Thea Study website, create a free account, and upload your study material. This can be lecture slides, class notes, a research paper, or even a YouTube tutorial you want to learn from. Once the upload is finished, the AI analyzes the content and automatically creates summaries, quizzes, flashcards, practice questions, and study guides within seconds. One of the best features is definitely the flashcard and quiz generator because it saves students hours of manual work during exam season. Instead of rewriting notes yourself, the AI creates review questions automatically to help with memorization and active recall. Another popular feature is Smart Study because it adapts questions based on your progress and focuses more on the topics you struggle with, which makes studying feel more personalized. The platform also includes AI explanations and study games that many students online say make learning less boring and easier to stay focused on for longer periods. According to users on Reddit and Trustpilot, one of the biggest advantages of Thea Study is how beginner-friendly it feels because you don't need technical skills to use it. Many students said they helped them organize huge amounts of study material faster and made exam revision much less stressful. Some users even claimed they improved their grades after regularly using the quizzes and active learning tools. Another reason people like Thea is because the free version offers more features compared to many other AI study apps that lock almost everything behind expensive subscriptions. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are still some downsides you should know before using it. Some users reported that the AI occasionally gives incorrect answers or oversimplifies technical subjects, especially in advanced math and science topics, so you still need to double-check important information instead of relying completely on the AI. A few students also mentioned that some quiz questions can feel too easy, which may not fully prepare you for difficult exams. There are also normal privacy concerns that come with uploading personal study files to AI platforms, although there's no major evidence suggesting Thea Study itself is unsafe. Overall, though, Thea Study honestly seems like one of the better AI study assistants available right now, especially for students who want free tools to create flashcards, quizzes, summaries, and practice tests much faster. It won't magically replace studying, but it can definitely help you save time, stay organized, and make revision more interactive. If you want to try Thea Study yourself, check the link in the description. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials and honest reviews.